Once again.
You've got mail, baby, yeah.
I wonder what I have here. Oh, I need to leave my key. It's locked. This is little Haley. You see little Haley? She's adorable, isn't she? She has on her tutu today. Okay, Haley, what do you think is in this box? What's in this box?
That's Daddy's box.
Not Daddy's box. This is Mommy's box. Ah. Okay, watch out. Watch out. This is how it goes when you work from home. Your daughter gets to wear a tutu standing on top of the shredder. Check this out. Wearing a tutu, standing on top of the shredder. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's the good life. Let's see what's in this box. It's open.
This is my thing.
This is Mommy's box. This is Mommy's box of treasure. Oh, ho, ho. You want that one?
But I picked that.
Wow. Is that cool or what? My collection is getting larger.
Oh, this. Stop.
You can't have it. Look at this. And I have room for more. Let me put my other silver eagles in this one. Here's my old box. Time to transfer to the new treasure. Wouldn't you like to have a business with an auto ship? It's actually something you get excited about every month. Ooh-wee. This is getting to be a lot of fun. Auto ship that actually holds a value in the future.